able to renovate this building, and we had support in being able to do so, takes what we've done and rebuilding to another level. This building, this facility will be better than it was before. So I guess out of something that was a crisis at the time, we're going to have some outcomes.
No, it looks good.
Ag building is very important to this area, considering that we're an ag backbone, forestry backbone. And to get the ag building back and to bring back that premises so the ag students feel that they have their own home is very important.
So it's so important that we had State Representative Wardlaw here today, because not only is he a graduate of UAM and he understands the significance of our institution to the economy of the state, he's extremely aware of the impact of the agriculture programs on the agriculture industry and economy in our state as well. We're stronger than we were before, is the news.
That's awesome. And I think another good thing we've done is we've managing the budget of the farm and everything, rather than waiting until the end of the fiscal year to, we've set it up where we can account for our revenues as they come in. Well, we're very fortunate to have Mr. Wardlaw with us today and have his support. He was really instrumental in getting some supplemental funding for us to do a renovation of our agriculture building, and really looking forward to the way this is going to turn out. It'll be one of the best facilities on the UAM campus for hosting events of about 100 people or more.
And with the thanks of Governor Asa Hutchinson and his rainy day fund, we were able to put some money in there to get that remodeled up to par and back to a level that the students could be proud of for years to come.
And as state representative, he has certainly been our champion in promoting agriculture and more significantly our renovations of facilities, so we can continue to offer the productive and the high quality agriculture programs that we have for our region and for the state of Arkansas.
What's included in this renovation is going to be a remodel of all the hallways, building a new combination lecture and computer room, as well as upgrading all the offices, the internet access to the building, and really getting up to the state-of-the-art on audio-visual, seating comfort and acoustics in our auditorium, which between the auditorium and the computer lab, there's going to be a lot of great opportunities there for teaching.
Schools rely on that alumni funding to come back. And alumni funding to come back means students have to be proud of where they came from. So having a building that's remodeled to the level that that building's going to be remodeled to will give them that sense of pride that they can carry forward throughout their life and their future jobs.
The facility will have this beautiful meeting space. It'll also have renovated office spaces for our agriculture faculty. He will be moving back into that building after a number of years of being relocated to the forestry facility.
And one of the great things about that auditorium that was there in its original carnation and will be a part of its new remodel is a large area with bay doors that allow us to bring animals and equipment straight into the classroom to do hands-on learning.
The students will have a lounge of their own, so that not only are they taking classes there, but they have a place that they can relax, interact with each other, and kind of build that real community among the agriculture majors.